Okay, so we got to raise 2 to the power x, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if x is negative 2, what's that? That means 2 raised to the negative 2 power, right?
Right.
Well, how do you raise 2 to the negative 2 power?
Negative 2 times negative 2.
No, it doesn't say multiply negative 2 times x. It says raise negative 2 to the negative 2 power. What do we know about negative powers? What's the law of exponents for negative powers?
It would turn to a positive.
No, we were doing this last week. See if you can recall in terms of the expressions we were simplifying.
Will it turn into a fraction?
Yeah, what's the rule? What's a to the negative b? Okay, you're going to want to review the laws of exponents. Be sure you really have them under command.
It's 1 over AB.
A to the b. And that's what you mean. I'm sure that's how you would have written it. Well, we have to use the laws of exponents because we have an exponent here, right?
Right. Okay.
So that means 1 over 2 squared, right? Which is 1/4. And what else do we know? What's one of the law of exponents for the 0 power? What's a to the 0?
B A.
No.
Oh, 0.
No. Any number to the 0 power is equal to 1. One of our laws of exponents. Okay? So, make sure that at any time in your life, until you're sure you've taken your last math course and will never need it again, you can write out the laws of exponents, okay?
Okay.
It's essential. Because if you don't know them, and you knew them well in simplifying a lot of fairly complicated expressions, right?
Mm-hmm.
But now you're out of that context,
Yeah.
so you've lost track of the laws, right? Well, that's very common. It's a different context, and we must have different laws of exponents. Well, we both know better, okay?
Okay.
But this is why you can't forget those laws. They keep coming up and coming up, okay?
Okay.
So be very careful about that. Make sure that you know the laws of exponents. Otherwise, it will cause you problem in your course, okay?